Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build IKEA furniture in Bloxburg. What we're going to be building is 2 drawer, 3 drawer, and then the long 3 drawer, and then the 6 tall long one, and then the wardrobe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Cubes and go to cubes. You will want to get the cube. You will then want to resize the cube, which I only resize it that much, and then I do expand it a wee bit. And then copy that and put it on top, and then make it a smaller size and out a wee bit. And then go to build and structural, and then hit the wooden plank. Make sure it's a Fargo plank, and then I just go like across twice. I then hit the transform to get like that. I also color it white, and then hit down on my shift on my keyboard and color everything else white. Now that is the 2 drawer done. I'm going to do the 3 one. So you can just copy the whole drawer and then delete the planks, put that to the side and make this taller by an inch, well, by a wee bit. And then you can put that back down. Same, copy the planks. You might not get the right measurement for this side either, but you can always use the transformation tool to make it sit right. As you can tell, it doesn't look right down here, but I am going to make it all fit in by moving each one up a little bit. Okay, so I have the 2 drawer and also the 3 drawer. Now we're going to move on 3 long drawer one. So for this one, you're going to go back to build, hit basic shapes, and hit the cube again. This one's a wee bit different though. So I go out the way first, resize it. This sort of, you don't have to like just sort of guess how big it would be, and then up a bit. That's how much I would do it, but everyone's different. And then do the same where I go down. And then copy the planks again and go straight across. My thing for this one though is I would resize the planks, as it might help. Everyone's different again. And again, it won't always turn out the same way. I'm going to move this up a bit first so I can get a better go at it. So you might not like the size of these, you might want them size, or you might just not want it at all, or you might want a different size, a whole lot, but for me this is what I like. So the planks are still too big, so I'm going to cut them down a bit more to like a more different size. That's still a bit too small. Okay, so I'm just going to delete all these and then hit this one and go down. So I'm gonna get that one to come up like that. Get this one to come up. And I would say that would be it. And then I just color it all white. So we now have our drawers, the 3 drawers. We're now going to do the long tall one. So with this one, I'm just going to put a cube here and measure it. Send that width and not tall. It feels like it's tall and not the. Gonna go with that height. I'm gonna then put that on it, and then move it out slightly like that. And with this, I'm gonna do the same. And then I'm gonna go grab the planks and with this here drawer. And the same with the bottom one. I think that drawer needs to be a bit bigger, so I will do that. Okay. Okay. So. Need to move them all up. So I actually feel like sometimes the drawers need to be like smaller, but if you look like at the actual IKEA drawers, they're actually not like far apart, so I'll be fine. And just color everything the same. Long drawers. I guess everyone has a different preference, but I generally think that's actually quite good. The 3 long ones also good, and then the other two are actually quite good. But again, everyone has their own opinion. And then gonna do a wardrobe. That is it. You do need to kind of guess how big the wardrobe will be, because you need room for shelf part, and then I add like wee drawers to mine, so I kind of need like quite a big one, but I like can't really judge it sometimes, but I try my best to judge it, because you'd be like halfway through a build and then all of a sudden it's not the right size, so I try to prejudge. And then I do the same for the back, and I hit the back and then resize it. So I'm gonna make these here a wee bit bigger in size. I'm gonna go with that there size. And then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that by that much. And then have this done. Actually, and then do that, put that down all the way. And I'm gonna make drawers in a way out of these, like I did with the chest of ones, so kind of in a way over there. I'm gonna resize them. I think this is big enough. Hi guys. That's my dog jumping off the bed. And then just do that with them. Yes, I like that. And then just make that a flatter one and move that up a bit like that. And then we're gonna get the same with this one. Put it here. I'm gonna make this one a shelf because I think that'll be quite good. I'm gonna make a shelf like this. And then that looks actually quite perfect for that. And then gonna do the same for this one over here. And then lift it up. Just so we have a roof over the wardrobe. And then put that on this one and hope that it lifts up and covers the rest. We'll just measure it like that. Okay. This is what I got so far, and then I'm gonna go to structural or whatever way you say it, and then go to I'm gonna do a small rod, and then if you see the wee squares over here, I'm putting it on all them. Hit the T in the keyboard, or if you're doing an iPad, just hit customize. I think it is custom. And then fully on, drag it like that. And then I'm going to bring it around a bit. Like that. I'm now going to colour it the same colour as all these. I'm going to put them all together and then show you. Okay, so for the shelf you will need basic shapes again. And then you don't have to do much. You just have to well, what I do is fold it like that and go like that, so it's like a good width. I'm going to colour this colour, and then what I do is I apply that on top, go like that, transform tool if it's called that, and push it back, and then I make it up a bit higher by that much, and then you should be able just to copy that. I'm just going to set that on that, and then you just have to sort of lift it up, and that should be how you do it. Depends how many times you want to repeat this step. I don't really know how many times I repeat it. I just really do it until I see how much of shelves I want. You can stop now, or you can go on for a bigger amount, less amount. It's up to you what you want to do. But I think I might stop in the next one. I'm going to stop. This one I'm going to stop. And I'm just going to make it the shelf roof kind of format. And that is the shelf. And that's the shelf done. These are all IKEA furniture I think will be good in builds. So you've got the two chest cabinets, bedside cabinets, whatever you want to call them. You've then got the two drawers. You've then got the two drawers, the 3 one and the 6 one. You then have the wardrobe. You can probably add a mirror in at the back or whatever you want to add in there, but that's just how. But really up to you. You do have some shelves as well, and you do have drawers as well. You then have a shelf. So guys, that is me done with the video. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments if this was a help to your builds, as I find in my new builds I will be building these as it's more realistic theme, and I just like the way it is, and I do like IKEA's furniture, so that is another reason why. But let me know in the comments what else you want to see me build, or or what else videos you want to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is also free if you subscribe, and it'll also help my channel. I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope God bless you. Bye, my angels.